Hey guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to create a Chime bank account quickly and easily. So let's get started. So first go to chime.com or download the Chime mobile app from your app store. Enter your full name, email address, password, and social security number to sign up. Chime uses this information to verify your identity and protect against fraud. And once your details are reviewed and confirmed, your account will be created successfully. After that, sign in to your new account and set up direct deposit to receive your paychecks automatically. Or connect your existing bank account to transfer money easily into your Chime account. Then once your account setup is complete, Chime will mail you your Chime Visa debit card within 7 to 10 business days. And then after your card arrives, activate it in the app and you're all set to start using your Chime account for spending, saving, and managing your money. And that's it. Now you know how to create your Chime checking account in just a few minutes completely free. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.